Today, we are going to be unboxing the new IonFrame EVO 6 from AC Infinity, 500 watt LED light with tunable spectrum. Come on, let's do it. All right, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Goodbye box. Oh, this is cool. This is one of them. Watch this, it folds. This light is huge. Supposed to cover a 4x4. It's 500 watts peak. Now, what's cool about this thing, or from what I'm to hear, this has that tunable spectrum. This has the infrared built in, and it also has the UVA built in. And pretty cool. Very pro, AC Infinity. Let's see. Let's see. Watch this. This is cool. Boom. Now that's gonna cover a 4x4. Yeah. Power. 500 watts, man. That's pretty amazing. God, that probably will replace a Thowie, you know? The old 1,000-watt metal halides or HPSs. I'll bet you this puts up more light. Yeah, this is very cool. So this has some of the far red diodes in there, and then it has some of the UV diodes. Oh, far red's right there. I can see them. Can see them. Yeah, very interesting. I can't wait to get this one going. Hey, this is really cool. I have not seen this before. There's a lot of stuff I haven't seen before, but that is the driver. That is what is going to make a lot of the heat. So you see it's got heat sinks on it. So you can put this outside your tent. Put it on top of your tent, heat rises, whatever. But the idea that you don't have to have this heat load attached to your light inside your tent is huge, man. And AC Infinity is a game changer. I've never seen equipment that comes with a digital controller before. Almost all their gear has that, man. So anyway, really cool stuff. I am a fan of AC Infinity. I've got a lot of their gear. And man, I appreciate them letting me evaluate this light. I will put it to good use. Yeah, so I'm definitely psyched. This is the EVO 6. It has far red, it has UVA. It's 500 watts of a blasting spectrum with nice spread. Should do great over a 4x4. I'm psyched to try this thing out. All right, y'all, I cannot wait to get this into my grow. But if you want to check it out, going over to acinfinity.com. They are not a sponsor. Just make very cool gear, and I'm psyched to check this one out. And what do you think about the new Ion 6 from AC Infinity? Has anybody got one of these? Have you used one? Come on, let me know in the comments.